Hi, there is a speaker that the owner contacted me online. The speaker has been to different places, so they couldn't fix it. It's a Bluetooth speaker, and here is the name Zealot S78. And here is the name Zealot S78 wireless speaker. Yeah. So the problem was that the speaker will turn on, right? It turns on, it will connect to Bluetooth, but there will be no sound production. Whatever you're playing, it will play, but you know, hear any sound coming out from the speaker. Well, so these people could not, other technicians that he has tried, they couldn't fix it. So he contacted me online. So on losing it, here's the motherboard of the speaker. Here's it. Yeah. So I figured out that there is a MOSFET that has blown up. Yeah. There's a MOSFET that has blown up around here. Yes. So I tried to check, and here's a MOSFET that has blown up. It has in, yeah, you can see it right there. That is 32070 KS 320, yeah, 32070. So that is in there. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Yeah, so here's the MOSFET. So if we check, all right, here's the MOSFET. So if you check, look at this multimeter. So I want to check this side. Look at it, has turned to a fuse, which shouldn't be. All right, see, that is 0.5, is 005. Same thing here. So it has turned to a fuse. So, bye-bye. So it has been replaced. So I check this circuit here. Yeah, these very circuits. All right. All right. This and this, they are joined together. Yeah. They share the same, yeah, the same point. So looking at it here, that is 0.4. Yeah, 0.4. And coming here, the other side should read OL. Yeah, so it's over limit. Okay, this is the other side. It is increasing. So it should increase to 9, then to 8,000, then to turn to OL. Yeah, that is OL. So good. So that means the circuit here is working. I tried to check other patterns. There's no problem. The only problem that I found is from here. This FET here, MOSFET right here. So next is going to, I will assemble it and see if it has fixed the problem or not. But definitely should be able to fix the problem. The speaker is massive. Yes, massive. Before I coupled everything totally, I will need to test the speaker if it is working or not. I don't know if there's battery on it, but it appears it is. It's not on now. So that means the battery is dead, yeah? Okay, it's on. Anyway, it's working. It is working. There is a chime sound. Let me turn it off. Yeah, it is working actually. It is. I'm sure this person will be very happy. Yeah, it is working. You taught me everything and everything you given me. I always keep it inside. I couldn't believe that this speaker should be sounded this way because it is the way it is sounded is annoying. Yep, but it does not require the. This is just for the peripheral device. Yep, not to charge it for USB and for card, TF card and auxiliary. So this won't be responsible for the way it's sounding. Really, I'm expecting something to give me a strong, heavy bass, heavy bass, but there's not. There's not. Yeah. All right. So okay. I think I need to put this on. Okay. Good. Connected. Yeah. You show me right from my wrong. Yes, you did. So all speaker disconnected. So I'm going to swap the. Oh yeah. Right. Right. Connection problem. Yeah. Good. So afraid, and then you come to me and you say to me, I can face anything, and no one else can do what you've done. Good. No. Perfect. Why did Zealot added a shitty treble? Because that is a treble there, but it's a shitty one. Anyway. Yeah, perfect. Yes, interesting. So this FETs here, MOSFETs here, what's the problem? Yeah, it's shorted. All right. If this port is working, if I plug in, it should indicate light straight up that it is charging. So plug in, very good. So that means it is charging. Yeah, fine. So next is to put it up. Very good. Very good. So it is perfect. I can face anything. So it is perfect now. The speaker. In fact, I love the bars. Anyway, I love the bars. It makes sense. It's okay. So it is perfect. So obviously this one is far better than Sanko Bros. Okay. So basically that is it. That is it. Remember, in recap, I said that all these lights turned on, everything was working except there was no sound output. So it has been taken to several technicians, but they couldn't fix it. So this person found me online and I told the person to bring it. The person at first was skeptical because I seen the person on my YouTube channel. He said I could not see, maybe me fixing speaker. I said, well, all these things are electronics, so speaker should be a piece of cake. There's nothing on it. So upon losing it, then I discovered that this MOSFET was shorted. Although before I could get the name, because the name was, I couldn't get the name. It was straight off. That is 3207T. KA3207T. I couldn't find it. All right, I couldn't find it. So I have to make a deep research in order to know what kind of channel this FET is. Yeah. And this is N channel MOSFET. That is 30 volts. Then I found a replacement on laptop motherboard. Yeah. On this motherboard. Yeah, this is ESA, yeah. This is ESA. Yeah, ESA. So I found a replacement here on this motherboard. Yeah, this right here. Good. So that solves the problem. Yeah, easy peasy.